Hi folks, this is the second of the two videos where I'm going to show you where to download the software for the tutorials from. The second piece of software is called Rstudio, so you can just Google Rstudio here, one word. First hit, this is it. It's basically just a text editor, but for those of you who've done a bit more programming, it's actually what's called an IDE. It's an integrated development environment. Basically, it's a text editor with a bunch of extra bells and whistles. So it's just useful because it's all set up to use R. If you click here, you go straight to the downloads page. That'll take you to this. And then if you just scroll down to the bottom, you can see installers here. And you can just select whichever operating system you're using. So I'm on Windows, so I'll just click that one. And that'll just download right there. Sweet. Same as the other deal. Once it's downloaded, click it, run the installer wizard, click next, and you should be right. Yeah.